Alright, hello first graders. Alright, we're going to do day 5. So what inventions do you know about? We've learned lots of different ones. Sometime today, if you have time, you could draw a picture and write a couple sentences about some different inventions you know about. Alright, curious. If you're curious, remember, you want to know about it, so you might use a book or watch a video to learn more about it, right? If you're curious about it. Improve. Remember, when we improve something, we make it better. So you might use tools, or we may even practice reading to improve it. We keep making it better, right? And practicing sight words and all of those things to improve it. Complicated. If something is complicated, remember, it has many parts, and it's difficult to understand. Remember, what's something that we read about that was kind of complicated? Did we read about cars? Cars are kind of complicated, right? For some people, cars aren't complicated, but for some other people, it might be complicated. Alright, device. A device is an object that we use to use a job, right? So a device. So we read about scissors. This is a device. What do we use this device for? We use it to cut, right? That's a device that you use at school. Alright, think about your can. What device do you use to open a can? We use a can opener, right? Some of you guys might use a hand one, or some of you guys might use an electric one. Imagine. When you imagine something, you think something that's not really real. So think about something that's imaginary. Right, kind of like Cinderella. Her carriage was imaginary, right? Alright, I'm going to say the sounds, and you're going to blend it together to make the word. Are you ready? Or, what's the word? More. Good job. Or, what's the word? Shore. Porch. What's the word? Porch. Very good. Or, what's the word? Snore. Alright. Remember we were talking about O-R, which says or, O-R-E, and O-A-R. They both make all three of those make the or sound. They can just be spelled differently. So this word was short, short. So we have a diagram, and then we have O-R, the or sound, and then t, so short. Alright, let's try this one. You ready? Sport. What's that word? Sport. Very good. Born. What's that word? Born. Good job. Alright, this one. Sport. Sort. Oh, I have a diagram right here. Or. Chore. It's spelled O-R-E. Alright. Today, sometime you could practice writing using shaving cream. Or practice rainbow writing this. This word is born. B-O-R-N. Born. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. Core. C-O-R-E. Core. So we have the O-R-E in there. More. M-O-R-E. More. Roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Soar. S-O-A-R. Soar. Her. H-E-R. Her. Dirt. D-I-R-T. Dirt. Learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Sure. S-U-R-E. Sure. Alright, let's go on the missing letters. Okay? Alright, so we have born. Before. So what letter is going to go there? Oh, good job. Okay, this one was corn. Now we're missing the consonant that goes along with that sound. C-O-R-N. Good job. So an R would go there. Then we have the word core. What letter would go here? We're missing the what? The R again. Ready? C-O-R-E. So O-R-E. Remember that? This word was more. So it's missing the M-O-R-E. Good job. This word was roar. Roar. The R sound. Very good. So put an R. R-O-A-R, right? This next one was soar. S-O-A-R. So we put an A right there. Alright, then we have her. H-E-R. Good job. Now we have dirt. D-I-R-T. Very good. And then we have learn. L-E. Very good. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Last one we have is sure. S-U-R-E. Sure. Alright, let's practice these sight words. I'm not going to say them, I'm just going to point. I want you to say them. Are you ready? Alright, let's go through them again. This time I'm going to say them with you. Say them with me. Began. Better. Guess. Learn. Right. Sure. Alright, let's try to find these sight words in the crossword. Are you ready? In the word search, the word is began. Began, let's find it in the word search. Right, it's up and down. Ready? B-E-G-A-N. Began. How about this word? Better. Better. Right here. B-E-T-T-E-R. Better. Alright, how about this one? Guess. Guess. Ooh, it has a bonus letter. The S. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. Learn. Learn. Right. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Has the A-R in it, doesn't earn. And that E is kind of silent, isn't it? Right. We have the I-G-H-T, says ite. So ite. The G-H is kind of silent. Ready? Ite. But we spell it R-I-G-H-T. Let's find it. Right here. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Now we have sure. Sure. So with the U-R. Let's find it. S-U-R-E. Alright, good job, first graders. Alright, don't forget, you have a story to read again, and you have an O-R-E game.